more recently, this from the Autumn Budget 2022, the dividend allowance. Now, it rankles with tax professionals and accountants that this is called an allowance just to make politicians sound good. It's not an allowance, it's a nil rate band. It's started life, some of you may recall, Summer Budget 2015 is £5,000, quickly got hacked down to 2,000, and now we've got, as recently announced, the current year it's been halved to £1,000, and from next tax year and for the foreseeable future it's going to be just £500. So it's dropped from £5,000 when the whole dividend regime was overhauled about 8 years ago. So to summarise, it's from bad to worse, really, and the future isn't looking good. It's not necessarily looking any brighter than we are now. And I would argue that in terms of how this will feel, we're not over the worst of it yet. As advisors, we can look at this and see what's coming, but in terms of the directors, shareholders themselves, they won't have started to feel this bite. It's a warning there that I think these things take a while to work their way through self-assessment, payments on account, balancing payments, etc., etc. I don't think many people really yet have felt anything tangible to make them concerned, and that will soon change, I think. Okay, so the new dividend regime from 2016-17 punished us, no question. The dividend rate hike from 22-23 cuts quite a bit deeper. Simone owns 100% of her accountancy practice limited company, and 51%, so she has control of, the voting rights of a financial consultancy company and a payroll company. So 3 companies, and she controls 100%, and she exercises control. So she owns one outright. She exercises control of the other 2. They are associated. She controls all 3, and therefore they have to share the band. So the sort of safe harbor of 19%, you divide that by 3. So if any of those companies has profits above 16,667 in a year, then they will be subject to 26.5% on that excess, on the excess over 16,667. Profits between 50,001 and 250, divide that by 3, so you get 16,668 to 83k. That's all taxed at 26.5.